Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 EcoSport SE in diamond white with black cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a hatch. This has a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, all-wheel drive engine. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. And should you require financing, our finance team is friendly and knowledgeable. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered and you have manual lumbar. The lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of the steering wheel you have dash controls, cruise control, and sync voice activated system with volume. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start button. On your dash you're going to see the odometer reading and any important messages that you need. And also you have settings and you have a menu that you can toggle through, so you can go through different information, display, driver assist, vehicle settings, my key, and these all have submenus, so you can just pop through the menu as you wish. In the center you have a display screen, and it's also touch, so you're seeing navigation. When you put the vehicle in reverse you'll see your backup camera view there, and then your sources you can touch on that for AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. And then in your settings you can slide through for different options. There's your Bluetooth again, Wi-Fi hotspot, ambient lighting. Down below, volume and tuner, and there's your hazard lights. And then you have your climate control with AC and max AC, front and rear defrost, and heated seats for both driver and passenger. You also have auto stop start for better fuel economy, traction control, and off to the side is USB outlets. You also have an automatic select shifter, and you're seeing your 12-volt outlet there. There's emergency parking brake beside the driver's seat, and a couple of cup holders, and you're seeing the little glow there. When it's dark out you'll see your ambient lighting. You have an armrest, and that opens up, and you can go inside there, and there's more storage. Off to the side is your glove compartment, and up above is a manually dimming rear view mirror. You have your lighting controls located here, a sunglass holder, and then when you're ready to get some nice fresh air, simply push the button for your sunroof and it'll slide right open. And today we have blue skies. 16-inch wheels, mud flaps, body colored door handle with intelligent access. Driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The back hatch has a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and your backup camera is just below the Ford logo. You also have backup sensors on your bumper, and you have a prep wiring kit as well. When you're ready to open up that hatch, it's got a swing gate, and so you actually push the button here and it'll open right up for you. Makes it easier to load things into the cargo area. And you can see it's roomy. You've got a nice little tonneau cover. You're seeing the extra carpeted mats, and you've also got some hooks and clips there to tie things down. And then when you're ready to close everything up, simply swing it back to the right and it closes securely. You can then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily bring down the headrest with a push of a button, and then push the button at the back of the seat and it'll come right down. You now have access to the cargo area, and you're seeing extra carpeted mats. There's also a tonneau cover for security and keeping things out of sight. On the back of the seat there's anchors to be able to tether baby seats, and when you're ready simply push the seat back up and flip up the headrest and it's in the upright position. In the center, a couple of cup holders as well as an armrest. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage, and a 110 outlet on the floor there. Up above, hooks and lighting. Roof rails, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.